Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413. What's going on? How you guys been? Me? Chilling like always, you already know.
I see you haters away. I see you haters. I'm getting away.
Here my boy Smitty again.
Smity413, holla.
Smity413. We up in the garage again because Smitty got some LEDs he's trying to get on his bike today. So, you know how that go. It's a long task. Actually, the hardest task about this is figuring out where they go, where we want to put them. Where he wants to put them because it ain't my bike. I'm the fuck.
He gonna help me out.
So, alright, so what's gonna happen is, to start off, what we gotta do is we gotta take off the hood, we gotta take off the front, we gotta take off the sides. So, to access to where we're gonna be putting these lights. And here we go. So, as we were actually looking at where we were going to place the lights, and we decided that we're probably going to need to add power to this just to see how it's looking as we're going. So, what we're going to do is we're going to be adding power to it. We're going to be using the Trick LED Can-Am Ryker 12 volt accessory harness. So, that's what we're going to be using. He got this from Sling Mods. Got this from Sling Mods?
You're right.
Right. And he has these lights that we're going to...
I got this from Amazon.
He got these off of Amazon. We're going to wire these up real fast and plug in the lights to see where we got them at because we don't want to oversaturate the lights in different places. All right? All right, so we got the harness. Trick LED harness. So... Oh, shoot.
That's the function.
I don't need that. I don't know what that is. So what you're gonna do is unplug this first wire here.
No, it's this right here.
Nah, you unplug this bottom wire right here. This first bottom wire right here. You unplug that one here. You're gonna take this side of the harness. And you're gonna plug this right into there. And then you're gonna take the wire that's coming off the bike and you're gonna plug it into the harness. And now you're all set to take this piece here. They give you this little piece here. You're going to take this and you're going to plug this onto here. Onto the harness. And after that, that's when you're going to hook your fuses to that. Your, not fuses, your connectors. So we're going to crimp these back a little bit. Crimp those back a little bit. Alright, that should be good.
We gotta open these up.
Yeah, you gotta open one side of it. Actually, open both sides, don't matter. Because we gotta put the lights in there.
I'm gonna break this.
Alright, so you just pull, just gonna pull back on these little things. And then you're gonna slide the wire inside here. And then you can put the other wire inside here. That's whatever wire you're gonna hook up to it. Slide that into there. Just clip that down. Take that one? Oh. Yeah, bro. Scratching.
I ain't know what the hell you...
Butterfingers.
Do not.
I'm gonna need some lotion.
You too.
We're not talking about me right now.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we got those hooked onto there. So now what you want to do is you're going to take our lights. We're going to plug our lights in here. And that should give us power. Where's the lights? You had the lights, right? You had the lights, right?
So what's the blue wire for? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we don't know what the blue wire is for, so we're just going to use the red and black right now to see what happens. We're going to crimp these back a little bit. those back a little bit. So we go. Oh, that one I cupped a little long. That one I did a little long. A little bit. We'll trim it down a little bit. All right, black to black, red to red. Come on, man. You should be having your head down in the video and shit.
Yo, come on, bro.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
You see what I'm doing?
Rubbing your leg on, head up, your hat on, rubbing my leg and shit. I'm like, how's this dude doing, yo?
Yo, forget it, yo.
You plugged it all in?
Yes, I did. Yo.
All right, hit the power button. Now we should have power to it. Now hit your light button. Turn the power on your lights. You got a power button on this, right? You said?
Yeah. Hey.
All right, so that's what we're looking at right now. All right, just to start, that's how we got it starting to look. Just as a starter. Got a couple lights going, but we'll get back to it. We'll show you the rest in more detail in a minute. All right, guys, so we got the other side done, and we figured out where we want to put all the lights. So we came back over to this side, and we're going to show you how we did this. So what we did is he has 4 different size lights. So he has a long one, it's a little smaller, a little smaller, a little smaller. So we took our longest one, and we're going to put it up here in the top here, so we can light up the inside of here. We took the next one, we put it down here, and that's going to light up the bottom of the bike. We actually put one right here, and then we put one under the hood. So how we did this was we're going to do our bottom one first. We took some zip ties. We didn't even stick it on there. We just used zip ties on there because why stick it on there? You know what I'm saying? You hit water and stuff, and sticky stuff ends up coming off, and then you got wires hanging. That's no bueno. That, for my English people, that's no good.
Right.
So I get my zip tie started, and then I thread this through here like so. Get it to where I want it. Line it up, and then I tighten my zip ties down like so. All right, we're gonna bring our wire up top over the peg. So the positioning of this light is gonna eliminate him ability to move his peg frontwards and backwards, which he's okay with that. He said,
I'm fine. I like.
ain't no one riding my bike anyways. He likes his pegs all the way forward like I do. And so we're putting the light there. So we zip tied that. We're gonna cut those off in a second. I'm gonna grab the longer one. We're gonna zip tie it to here. Hey, you wanna grab my zip ties over there on the desk?
Yours is fucking huge. Pause.
That's what she said.
I had to say pause because this nigga, yo.
All right. So on this one, I use 4 zip ties because it's hurt to bend on it. So I use one here and one here instead of just using the 2 on each end, just because it has a little bend there, so it can go with the curve. All right, now we got all those in. I'm gonna run this wire around back here underneath the motor mount. Actually, you can run it right underneath the motor mount. There's like a little space there. That'd be even better. It's nice. All right, we got these little baby zip ties that you give you free with the lights.
Want to do them both or no?
Yep, sure did.
Yes, sir.
All right, so now we got 2 bottom lights right in there. We're gonna be adding this one here. It's gonna go to this position right there. We're gonna take this light here, and we're gonna put this light on this side. Let's get the wire through there first. All right, get out the way. Let's get this started. Pull it up some. There.
Your dog barking at someone.
He's in the backyard still, don't care. All right, so now we got this side, all the wires, all the lights down where we want them. We'll clip off all the zip ties.
One more.
All right, now we're taking this last little light he has, and we're gonna put it right here.
Find something.
All right, guys, so. Ooh, that's a wifey? Oh, shit. Even though niggas use music tones in their mouth. All right, guys, so we got it all wired up and zip tied to where we think we want to do it. So now we're going to give it a test run. Let's give it a test run. Let me get the lights off for you guys. Little test run. So we got that right there in the front.
Not bad.
Not bad for
Amazon.
Not bad for his first. All right. Oh, we got it right there in the front. On the sides. See, on this side. We ain't get the wire. We gotta finish doing the wires though, but shit. Shit looking good. Looking good for a garage job. You shit? Alright guys, so we got the lights all hooked up. What we had to do was we had to figure out his lights came with a blue wire. We didn't know what the blue wire was for, so we went online and figured out that it connects to your brake light. So when you hit the brakes, all your LEDs turn red. So no matter what colors, when he hits the brakes, his LEDs turn red. It's gonna have brake lights. So what we had to do was, what I did was I found where the brake light connected down here on the side panel. I jumped it into there. Then I ran a wire from here to the blue wire up top here, and then I connected it there. So So if you ever want to hook anything up to your brake lights from down here, it's a white wire for the left and right. If you come right here, the two white wires are right here. They can come and then they go to here, then they connect to one white wire, which runs to the rest. We could not find a white wire up here, so we didn't wire it up here, so we had to run a wire down to the bottom. But now his lights turn red when he hits the brakes. I'm kind of a hater, you know what I'm saying? Now I gotta go buy them. I gotta go spend some money, don't tell my girl. But, all right guys, so that's it for today for this video of us hooking up the lights. Gonna throw it back together and send him on his way, get him the hell out of my house. Until next time guys, check you out.